Everyone. We are in a second part of a use case in CSM module. Here we are going to build a hassle-free defect management process for any product. So in this use case, we are taking the Arcus Cloud again, as we discussed earlier. So in this Arcus Cloud has a difficulties of tracking and reporting product issues, problems, and defects. In preparation for a imminent major rollout of product line improvements, they want to limit potential brand damage in the event of severe issue. They plan to achieve this by implementing a product-specific defect management process. So a new case type must be introduced to avoid customizing the general case handling process. So now our plan is create a new case type. So then we are managing the case type so that we can enable the case type for selection in CSM configure workspace. Then we can configure the case in the workspace view. Now I just go for this case type. Let me solve the things. Let me go to the case type. Here we can create, click this create new case type. So we are going to create a new case type. So we can click this guided application created, which will be helpful to guiding something for the steps. So now you can click this one, create a new. So we are going to build up a defect based use case, right? Defect based tracking application. So for that we just provide a product defect server table. So the description which we can tracking that, right? So we tracks product defects in customers. Let me add a logo. Then I just click this to create this. So I just want to add a role. So for this table, the agent should need to access. So I just provide sn underscore sn underscore agent. So agent should have this access to do the defect management process. And also ESM users also should need to get the access, that is customer service management solution team. So I just add them also. We can continue now. Here we can provide a classic one. Then the extended table. We can now you can provide a new table. Click new table, and you can click this one and extend a table. Extending table from the case table. This is our customer service case. Then you can continue it. We have this add a new field button. We have it's easy to create a fields in here. So first field I can provide a problem statement. So problem statement field type I can provide as a string. That limit can be 4,000. It should be mandatory. So I just enable this one. Then I can give a new field for the steps to reproduce. So again we have this also can take it as a string. The limit can be 4,000. This can also be a mandatory one. Mm. I just provide a first encountered. First encountered data time mandatory as true. Then product version we can able to give. So string this can be 80. So that is fine. We can continue this. Now finally we can have this table label as a defect case. So this is our table label, and we can make this as extensible. Then auto number. Here we can provide a starting number as 0, starting from 0. Like this we can provide it. So we can provide the prefix as anything. For now, I just put it's like this. Then this manage access. It's good practice to remove the delete ACL. So we can enable all the three ACLs for both the things, both the roles. So let me continue. Let's wait for some. So you can have successfully table has been completed. So you can close this one and click yes, close. So now we can able to manage a case type. So here new case type can be created starting from the interaction between a customer and a customer service or consumer service agent. So in the CSM workspaces, the agent will have the option to select the desired case type via dialog window during the creation of the process. So the case type can be categorized to help the agent in quick decision making during the selection process. So now I just go to that case type. Here we have a manage case type. Manage case type and create a new one. While we creating this, the table has automatically populated with this first one, this defect case which we have created earlier. So we can leave it. Then category as product. Product has already created for mine. But if the option is not visible, you can create using the dictionary, configure dictionary. You can go and create a new option. So before creating it, you can change the application scope as CSM case type. So you can create it, you can select the product, then I can provide a short description. Uh, So like this, I just provide this details and I can save it. So once I save it, this message display at the top of the page, right? So this indicates the process details can be configured for the case type via the related list. This one. So I just going to enable the case type for selection in CSM configurable workspace. For that, we can create a new button actually. So the create case button currently available in a interaction form within CSM configurable workspace will not display the dialog window to agent to select the case type. So it should need to be deactivated. Whereas another case type button is specially built to enable the case type by the agents. So in CSM configurable workspace, it should be activated. So I just go to the UI action. Here I provide a case type. This table name as interaction. So this is a table name. I just open this one. So this must be deactivated because the case currently this one is available in the interaction table, right? So in the workspace will not display the dialog window to agents. So it should need to display to the agents, right? Because they are only going to work on it. So it must be deactivated. Whereas another create case button should need to be enabled. I will show you before I deactivated this. So I just changed the application, customer service application. So this one is a customer service application. I can refresh it and then I'm going to disable this one. Been disabled. Now I just go to the action bar actions. Action bar, declarative actions under now experience framework. So this should need to be enabled. I just open the page case. This is under interaction table. So we just want to enable this one, then only it will visible to the agents. So I just change the application scope as CSM FSM configurable workspace. Then I refresh this one again. I can enable this one, activate this. Then only it will be visible for the agents. So now I just configure the case workspace view. I go for a table. Let's go to the table, the system definition. So this is our defect case table, which we have created today. So let me give this design form. So I can click the section. This is a new section, but we need to change the application scope before that. We need to change it to product defect because we are into the product defect page, defect table. So let me refresh this again. Change it to workspace. Can click this one. So here you can have the two column section. So we earlier we have created four fields, right? I just take the first field, first encountered one, drag it and drop it in here. Second field called the product version. We drop it in here. So these are all the defect details. Then I make this name as a defect details. Then you can click this plus icon again. Then you can make this as a one column section. You can take a remaining problem statement. Then steps to reproduce. Steps to reproduce. Need to wrap it under problem statement. You can say this. You can remove this one, this section name. So we can leave it as blank and say this. So our application is ready now. So the agent can access this whole application now. So let's test this. I need to go for the group table. So here is our customer service support table. So I will take, these are all the members are there in the customer service support. So these are all the agent support team for CSM module. So I will randomly take Jody Seals now. Let's test this lab verification. So Jody Seals, I will impersonate to her. We can navigate to CSM FSM on configurable workspace. So this is our interaction table, interaction form. So we should need to complete the interaction form while we click this one. It's asking for the add new interaction. So this is our interaction form. We should need to fill some details in here. You can select phone, contact Julie Davis. Then the short description could be anything. I just suggested and I just provided. Does not want to upload files. So this is one kind of Nolytics does not want to upload for files. So that is the issue they are facing. So the agent is going to save this one. Jury Lewis is creating this uh, case, creating this defect management form. So once she created, she can create this as a case. So this is our issue. We can create this as a case. So once we click this, we can have the two fields are there, category and case type. So you can select the category as a product, case type, defect case. So this could be comes under defect case. So let me create a case for it. So this is our uh, so this is our defect case. We should need to complete this form. So we can channel as a phone account Boxio and contacts are auto populated, right? You can provide any asset, so which is already populating, right? So any other assets you can select it. So Acme Analytics, you can select this one. Then in this burger icon is there, right? You can select it and defect details you have, right? You can select this defect details and you should provide some details of this kind of things. So when it first encountered, I just want to provide it. The sixth, it's where it was encountered. I have provided. Then you can the version could be 1, 2, 3, any other Pro Ultra like that you can provide. So this is the product version. The statement we should need to provide what is the exact short description we have. So it will be uh, so fields Java error message. So I'm putting like this. So this is the statement. So the another thing is we need how do we check the error? So that is we need to provide it in here. Steps to reproduce the navigate the analytics. Daily. Oh, oh. So this is our step to reproduce thing. You can save this form now. If the Jody sales want to grab this issue, she can able to click this one, assign it to me. So case pen has been assigned to you. So assign it to Jody sales. So this is the thing. The Arcus Cloud can be tracked and you can easily identify what are the issues can be there related to the defect fixing. So that's it, today's video. Thank you for watching.